Welcome to another video, IGCSE Math, GCSE Math, the same every time. Looking at those questions that are, apart from the numbers, the same every time. Learn how to do them, get yourself into the marks, get yourself into the grades. If you've been watching the previous two videos, you should be able to do part A of this question, so you might want to pause the video and have a go at that yourself, then compare your answer with mine. Here we go. Now 3p squared to the power 5. This has two parts in it. We need to do 3 to the power 5, and then the other part is p squared to the power 5. So it has two parts. Everything in the bracket needs to be power 5. So on my calculator, 3 power button 5, 3 to the power 5. Check you can get the same answers as me. 243, and then p to the power 2 to the power 5. Laws of indices, the one in the brackets, we just multiply the powers together, the base stays the same, so p to the power 10. So my final answer would be 3 to the power 5, which is 243, multiplied by p to the power 10. There's my final answer for that one. Part B, looking complicated. Perhaps looking more complicated than it really is. I prefer to write these as a fraction. So it's a divide by, on the top of my fraction, 18x squared y to the power 6. On the bottom of the fraction, 2xy squared. So we've got three parts to our final answer here. There's going to be a number, there's going to be an x to the power something, there's going to be a y to the power something. So the numbers, it's just a straightforward division. Here are my numbers, 18 and 2, but it's 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9, so my number is going to be 9. Now remember this, when we don't write the power, it actually means power 1. So there on the bottom of my fraction, I've got x to the power 1. So the second part of my answer with the x's, x to the power 2 divided by x to the power 1. Remember, when we are dividing, we subtract the powers. So x to the power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So x to the power 1. I won't write the 1. We don't usually. And then the y's, I've got y to the power 6 divided by y to the power 2. So y to the power something, and when we are dividing, we subtract the powers. 6 minus 2 will give me 4. So there's my answer for the second question, 9x y to the power 4. Remember, we can't put that into one piece. It has to remain as three pieces, if you like. The 9, then the x, then the y. So it's the same every time. Laws of indices, learn them and practice, and you should be able to do each question every time. Get yourself into the marks, get yourself into the grades. And if that video was useful to you, please do press the like button and also hit the subscribe button because that's useful to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that was helpful, and I'll meet you in the next one.